Well, Wally here. Guys, it is time to change the water in the dipping tank, and it's time to get it ready for a winter of dipping. And I just want to show you guys what I do. I was trying to explain this to a couple of people, and it's sort of hard to explain, so it's easier just to show you. Stay tuned. This is my dipping tank, guys. This is what we would call a concrete tub or a mortar tub. It's approximately 350 litres. I can actually get into this, sit down, and the water sits up to my neck, and I can put my feet out in front of me, as you have seen in videos, guys, if you've seen my other videos. And what I do to empty it, it's very simple. Somebody showed me this technique for emptying boats that are full of water. Now, I've never been able to quite get it right the way that he showed me, but it's pretty similar. Basically, a small length of hose. This is just from my hose, and you just put the hose in. Right, now, what I like to do is just give it a sometimes it goes first time, sometimes it takes a couple of goes. There we go. Guys, you don't need a nozzle, you don't need anything else like that. You know, that'll just sit like that, and that'll drain away, and then that means that while that's draining away, guys, I can just get on with my gardening. So the hose has done its thing, guys. You really can. You just let this go and let it do its own thing, and it'll just work away on its own. What I do then is take my thermometer out. I'm just going to tip this over. Why are you barking at, Bruno? Nah. It's generally not that dirty because I put chlorine in it, right? So all I need to do now is I just need to get the hose in it, give it a quick rinse out, and give it a little scrub with an old brush that I have here. Just scrub down the sides a little bit, just to remove anything organic, guys. And if it is a little bit dirty or a little bit dirtier, I'll put baking soda into it, but it generally doesn't need it, especially when you've got that chlorine in it. And that is it. Now, what I will do here, guys, is I'm just going to let that fill up, and I'll talk a little bit of things that I have figured out. Okay, so wooden barrels go manky fast. Okay, what I discovered, guys, is that because I was dipping every day, it's me that brings the dirt into it. Okay, so if you leave this on its, well, not exactly true. If you left it on its own with nothing in it, it's going to go green, it's going to go manky and mouldy anyway, right? But getting in and out of it all the time, bringing yourself in and everything that goes along with you into it, makes it get dirty faster. Now, I went from cleaning it once a week to having to clean it once a week to not having to clean it maybe once every 3 weeks once I added chlorine, guys, right? So a tub of this size, you only need a teaspoon and a half of chlorine powder. Okay, so this is stabilized chlorine, clear water stabilized chlorine, not any affiliate with anything to do with this company or anything. It just happened to be what we got for a paddling pool or something, I think, in the summer, right? So I have some water here straight from the kettle. So mixing it in the hot water helps the chlorine to dissolve faster, okay, instead of just dumping it straight into the tub. And that's it. Now I just let it fill up, and I will get into this at 6 o'clock in the morning, and it'll probably be about 4 degrees temperature. Thanks for watching. Stay frosty. Guys, Concrete Tubs is a great job. Great job.